Ahe GC News, Mima Bawumia Akwaba. Na se wunya subscribe to the channel na message say over subscribe. Odi abaya na say over click the subscribe button na wabele notification no. We na sa video bia be upload no. Also once I can be a few ya na like video no like video ma give us a thumbs up. Na fi share ma ofoforo so na wonya bi hwe na wo hu ya eko. Afriyie ye ensema aba betuga inti ensema bisanse hade latest and hot news nkwana the bremo inti zemo
oye opposition leader my policies their policies no awoni Akufo-Addo de buy no ano kire ye ba bia aba bedu asmenka branam no nye debate what debate obisi Bawumia will lose the elections and blame Mahama for not debating him. Well, 40% of a near my fire has say Emi the ball mine home brano. Well, lose Yama Togo. Come and explain to us, or you will not come and explain to us. He will not come for a debate. He is running away. I mean, how can Mahama stand on a platform with a stupid person? How? Ghana for Kwaku Annan say Mahama based to Obeko Salu. Okoyede. How?
Our policies lie. And that is where we should go. We should give the country an opportunity to listen to us. But if he chooses not to debate, I will continue to sell my policies to the people of Ghana, and you will take the decision. I am looking forward to a debate with John Mahama on the economy, on the country, on the governance. But
the more Kasano, minim say Bawumia on Napo. I'm not too sure they can take 35% the Akufo. I'm not too sure. No, the more Kasano, next Nkrofo bufu. Yeah, the more Kasano, Nkrofo a bufu. And you see, sometimes Ghanaians forgive me. Look at this stupidity. Oh, and Bawumia has demonstrated it. The level of stupidity of Bawumia is too high. His level of stupidity is too high. The level of stupidity, no, I was wrong. It's too high. And even the tape now, Okache John Mahama says John Mahama a debater, Uncle Sangbano. I don't want to play it. But absolutely, the ordinary Ghanaian walking on the street realize that you are too stupid. And as to how Ghana got here, I can't tell. No, it's sad. It's so sad. From year 2000 to 2008, when the person picked the dollar, it was 1 to 1, or the bar 4. What about free $4? Now we are doing $16 Ghana cedis. Sorry, 16 Ghana cedis per $1. And then I heard say more than 16. I don't know, but I'm between a check from only free 4 cedis to 16. Then you are telling the person, come and let us do debate. Because you see, the problem is that while Bawumia is a joker, as he rightly said, Bibi Obekabian, I'm joking. Obejawas Jimmy, and John Mahama cannot joke. John Mahama cannot stand on a big platform and be joking, dancing, hopping from one place to another, nodding his head, laughing. No, John Mahama cannot do that. And Ghanaians will never forgive John Mahama if he decides to meddle in that gutter with Bawumia. Gutter. Explain to us, gutter for omono efra eniema importers omofa niema ebedru port etia 22 new taxes woni Akufo-Addo Bawumia na the taxes na bawo. Tell them ekwaya befa so dia boa wo mo was Benka, just a John Mahama about debate. Look at this foolishness. Oh, guys, who did the attempt? What is the meaning of who did the attempt? You are foolish. And Krafua, what a dollar, I bet do Sammy now. Ghana near Nani Sika, a beer young father say 100,000 Ghana. 100,000 Ghana. That time, no, a beer is worth young father say $50,000. Today, say the party pay $50,000. Oh here times 2 or times 3. And so no to me $50,000. Edi Akufo-Addo. From taxation to production. Afriyie, you free taxation. Taxation aton. Taxation. Explain to the people. Was a no, just a Michelle John Mahama debate answer. Explain to the Ghanaian people. Banks ne guye. Ya mubegu no efre musika. Any unemployment rate ya edru 14%. 2016 obaye now unemployment rate was around 7%. Now you are doing 14%. Every Kwame Nkrumah pension now. Epepe me say John Mahama free Agyarko. That I think said a friend say employment rate was around 7-8% or so. But I mean, you can check for me. And now you are doing 14% and over. Come and explain to the people. Was it just a Michelle John Mahama debate and Sansana may explain? What kind of stupidness is this? What kind of foolishness is this? And in fact, I bet you Ghana for you say John Mahama will stoop so low and go and debate Bawumia. For what? Debating him on what? On what? What? You took my money that you are going to do PFG. Today, the ordinary Ghanaian tomato miensa say, or turn 50 cedis, 20 cedis. Bayre baku say 50 cedis. These are enyema yeduano, our crops are yeduano Ghana. Betrem the entire abasa was just a minu ye debate. Many John Mahama ye debate. A debate. What kind of debate? The whole world. Food inflation. Ghana net also 6. Betrem the entire Drew Haseya was just a mini John Mahama ye debate. John Mahama or to Abama. And Crawford to Abama explanation why we are here. You were touted as the economic messiah. I will keep on selling my policies. What's Ghana Henina? Unim say Obusa MPP ni asem one. Say Bawumia ni main policy ni say ya onima de kro. Digitalization. Ubusa say digitalization ni eya dan ya o say ni okura phone ye call eba. Say call mobile phone call Bawumia na de buy. Just look at this stupidity. Oh, cause you some there to be who chroma. Oh, sorry, no, anya butra benya BP. That him cause you some pa. List to say tax eaton. Now, as we speak, Kwame, electricity bills. Because we just decided to steal all the monies, then we are forced to go to IMF. Then the IMF conditionalities, this electricity bills and blah 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 are a part of us. Explain to us why we are here. Was it just a Obana debate? Many Mahama debate. Tony Mahama debate. Now you won't explain to us why we are here. You won't explain to us why your friends say dollar, Ghana cedi. You see the currency no aya basano. You explain to us. Uno bia ni asembiaka. You explain. You know be so. She say ya John Mahama ne wa anya wonka. onka ade ya jese Mahama no begyina ho na ono ye debate ansana waka kire. You went to Kumasi to adore your running mate. Just one statement. And the attempt. And you know nkwa na obi adwene course because mo anka sem papa bia o mo wi na mo wi dan asamoa phone kan ho. Importers air passemetie. Omo ton yema air passemetie. Now as we are speaking, companies are folding up. Plastic companies, manufacturers, companies are folding up. Ebi kwa Abidjan. Monday no, kwame Ghana eluzi eye enema e fire ports ema yenye sika no. Ghana eluzi 40% ama Togo. Ghana eluzi 40% edi ama Togo. Wahe. Na so we yesenka utwade beto. Ghana losing 40% edi ama Togo. Enema fire airport ema yenye sika no. Ghana losing for oye vice president. Just say when ya consultant Jimmy bi am no ka kire say okwa abontia behave to say when am no asankwa na wosa. Ubehunu wo omo ayi omo boys no George Kwati ni sa boys no ubehunu wo omo page bia no hey Bawumia can dance. Hey Bawumia dancing to Kisito. Bawumia dancing to dia and dia and a man for keka hwe or the Jimmy say ya no wini o wini en Bawumia wini there will be no Ghana. Kenya kra the best one sha no ni Akufo-Addo no kra no so no ya chimini a adwene kakra woni trim no kra na da say no ni napo achambi ni napo apo any three dabio me ya na nkrofo kasa asem no a 8 years yatia o mimi ngura Akufo-Addo fie nkopa aduane ni da mani achi enye ho ne atro constitution obi ada ne dem awada. So if you sit down say enanu me no obi kasa bobi mu ahwe ni ya obese awini o na me no wini a me no mienu gire me no mienu nya tofu ope me no mienu ye tofu ope to beto si aye ye yini miensa 20 cedis me no nya to ne pe ebi kura me menya ska to bi wu nya ska nto obetete ayi tea tomatoes no na betete afra nsuo saade aye nkwai enche busumi nsia no anya gbirigbiri edi why if you will sit down me found no amo kasa te se niema ko wronga ye mu bi nkwa na ko wrong maye ebi kura me ye better than you, trust me. Ebi kura me ye better far better than you. Into the Tróuble one policy statement asankwa na wosa when him says say and Ariane na yati say media for a omo di na po achi no omo no omo kasa say omo nsai na omo abeye stories e dey ascend omo yes so omo ko fa Jimini o kasa agi so omo trance etie ni yie yes no omo asone so no omo dey aye story no omo dey ascend media houses no and this no omo media for no di omo achi eto aso be 2-3 weeks aseme be sinye de be pia bonten enye yi omo media for na sai ko obi apa won check from Napo campaign team no Kwabena Agyapong said boy no wo Oman FM no omo mo nyina asai come and let us debate about what and the commercial driver auto fuel say then you drew baby I drew
yo wetibo mika say GCD so na wo hwe no se wo subscribe ya na say over subscribe na wa like it na fi wa share video do ma ofofro so enye bi na wo hwe wo so betimi a kire wadwen Afriyie ensem we na ho ewo comment box ni mo beti nkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.